Hello, my name is Gregor Mowat, and I am one of the co-CEOs and co-founders of LOQBOX. A CEO is a Chief Executive Officer, and the co-CEOs of LOQBOX run the business. LOQBOX helps anyone to build a credit payment history while they save, and teaches them how to manage their money so that they're able to achieve their goals without money getting in the way.
Hi everyone, my name's Tom, and I'm the other co-founder and co-CEO of LOQBOX, and I've been helping people to build their credit histories and their credit scores since 2010. Your credit score is based on your credit history, and your credit history is a history of how you've managed financial products such as bank accounts or loans or mobile phone contracts. When you come to apply for financial products, such as your first mobile phone, which I'm sure many of you will want for yourselves, a loan maybe to buy a car, or a mortgage to buy a house even, the lender that provides that product is going to check your credit history and decide whether you can have the product, and if so, how much it's going to cost you. And the amount it costs can vary massively based on your credit history. As soon as you turn 18, you'll automatically have 3 of these credit histories with 3 different companies. They're called Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They're called credit reference agencies. The issue you're going to face is that that credit history is going to be empty. There's no history about how you manage products because you haven't had any. And in order to save as much money as possible over the course of your life, you need to try and get the best credit score as possible, as quickly as possible.
Yeah, so as Tom said, having a good credit score means that you can do the things that you want, such as get a mobile phone contract or buy a car or even eventually a house. Whereas having a poor credit score means that you'll struggle to do this. Why? Because if you have a good credit score, then financial companies are more likely to lend to you. And if you have a poor credit score, then they're less likely to. So that makes buying things such as that need a large upfront payment, such as a car or a house, it makes it much harder if you don't have that good credit score. So when you turn 18, what can you do to start building your credit score? Well, first of all, you need to find out whether you've got one, whether you're known, whether you're able to find yourself at the credit reference agencies, exactly as Tom said. So there are 3 credit reference agencies, and you can check your score with each of them using a free credit scoring service. The most popular services that we're aware of to cover all 3 of these agencies are ClearScore, which you may have seen advertised on television, Credit Club, and Credit Monitor. You'll be able to find them on the internet. You may find, as we said, that you can't sign up for these services because your score is currently empty. If this is the case, you need to take steps to identify yourselves with the credit reference agencies. So there are 2 ways to do this, and you need to do both of them. First of all, get on the electoral roll. That shows stability. It means that you can be found by lenders, and anyone who wants to lend you money wants to know that you are a responsible citizen. And going on the electoral roll is a step to show them that. The second thing you need to do is to open a credit account. Now, this could be harder because if you haven't got a credit score, it might be difficult to open a credit account. However, you can start by trying to get a mobile phone in your own name. If you can't do that, you might be able to get a bank account, which has an overdraft facility. That will be registered on your credit reference agency file. If you can't do either of those, or even if you can always use LOQBOX, which is the free way to build your credit score while you save.
So as Gregor has said, as we both said throughout the course of this video, hopefully you'll be able to see now why a credit score and building a good credit history is so important to you, to give you the very, very best start when it comes to your financial life. There's a lot of information to take in, and it can be a confusing subject. Remember that your parents, your guardians, and your teachers can help you to better understand not just how credit scores work, but can help set you on the right track when the time comes to get busy building your first credit score and your first credit history.
Absolutely. So in summary, as soon as you turn 18, you need to know your credit score and take steps to build it up. This means getting on the electoral roll and opening at least 1 more credit account. You should really start doing this as soon after your 18th birthday as possible. Talk to your parents, talk to your guardians, and good luck building your credit score.